I'm still hurting. My shoulder and neck's real messed up. I don't know what I did. Just getting old. I'm not fabbing up any patches today, but I do want to try and clean this up a little bit. Get rid of this. I'm trying to save this guy here because it's for the clip for the trim, which sucks because it's pretty crusty in here, but whatever. I'm just gonna work around it. Oof, that's barely on there. Okay, but yeah, I'm gonna try and clean up some of this crap before I make up some patches. I'll put some eyeglasses, some glasses on or something. You know what? They're right here. Here's my safety glasses. Better than nothing. All right. Oh yeah. That's pretty solid. Now, get my 18 gauge steel I got left over from the floors in the Trans Am and make up a little patch here. Not today though. That's not so bad. So I really wanted to keep the stock deck in this thing with the tape deck, and then I was just going to run a Bluetooth tape deck adapter and a non-Bluetooth tape deck adapter. But the stock deck's toast. It is no bueno. So I had this laying around, and if I can find another, 84 stereo that, with the stock plate with the knobs coming out, I will. But for now, I think I'm going to try and make this work. You can get it. I can get it sitting in there nice. Which, ridiculous. I'll have to make a plate for this. But I'm going to see if this thing even works. So I'm going to wire it up. I got someone else did this, which sucks. So I'm going to deal with that. But I did get the adapter off Amazon. I hate cutting off stock plugs if I don't have to. So Amazon came through with the adapter. I haven't opened it yet to see if it's the right one. That looks about right. So I'm going to wire this thing up first to see if it actually even works, because this was a junkyard find for 20 bucks that I was going to use in kit, but I went a different route. Alright, so we're missing this guy. So this, yeah, would originally been on the back of the deck like this. Stock went out of the car. Or no, there it is, there, yeah. Oh, it's different. That's okay. But this is your illumination dimmer and constant, which is supposed to be a little plug, but it is nowhere to be seen. I can't even find it's supposed to be brown and red. And I was under the dash yesterday, and I couldn't find nothing with that plug on it. How was that? You know what? I'm going to pull this guy out and see if there's anything hiding up there. Alright, so the factory brown and red, the constant and the illumination are nowhere to be found. But, so brown, red. I'm going to check. I got my test light here. But I'm going to guess that that's illumination. Yeah, it might be power though. Fuck. Because there's definitely illumination for the clock there. So if we throw the accessory on and put these guys on. Huh. Well, I'm full of shit. Alright, so illumination isn't working for either of these, which is sick. It is working for the dash. which, you know what, ugh, I just might not run a dimmer to it. So I'm gonna find a constant here, which I'm gonna guess is one of these yellow guys. I'm gonna bolt this back in. All right, so I got my handy dandy test light here. Look around it. Let's see. One of these guys, if I can get. I'm gonna have to put down the camera here to do this. All right, so this yellow guy here. There we go. So that's switched. But none of these are constant. So I need to find a constant in here. I'm going to tap into it and run it to the constant on the harness. Alright, so really if I wasn't being lazy, I could go up into here and behind, find the illumination, run it to the deck. But I don't think I care. This isn't going to stay in here for forever. I'm just going to find a constant. It shouldn't be too hard. It's not stupid. It's been a while. Like I said, I screwed up my shoulder the other night. I'm hurting. But your lighter always has constant. That's I'm just gonna double check. Get this shit off here. Oh. Alright, there's a constant. So I'm gonna rob a constant in the back of the lighter. So I'll have constant switched and then just wire up the rest of the harness and see if we can get the stereo working. Alright, so I changed my mind. So I threw an LED in here. The bulb was actually blown. I'm going to steal the illumination from this guy. So it's the gray wire. You see, brighter, darker. It actually looks pretty cool in there too. I'm going to run the illumination. I'm going to splice into this. That's going to be my illumination. And I'll just find a constant, which steal from the lighter. And we should be good. Oh, shut the headlights off. Alright, so that's the back of the lighter there. This is a constant red guy. I'm going to splice into that. That's where I'm going to run my constant from. Alright, so now we got green is my illumination. Blue is my constant. Tapped off a lighter. It should work. Should be fine. Now I just got to wire up the harness here and hopefully it works. Alright, harness is done. I wired it like a high school kid. Usually I'd, you know, solder and heat shrink, but it's still significantly better than whoever wired this deck into the car I pulled it out of, because that was rough. These are all backup camera. Key 2, key 1, stuff I don't need right now. Except for the constant and illumination, which I'm just going to hardwire it to my constant and illumination and see if this junk will work. Alright, well, everything's wired up. This is on. In theory, this... Oh! Let's see. Antenna's plugged in. Alright, we got sound. I mean, the reception in here is kind of junk. One station it should get. I mean, that's something.
Come on, Fatso, and just bust the move.
Oh, yeah.
Just bust the move.
No, that all works. Now I just need to figure out how the hell I'm going to mount this thing. Because it got no mounting hardware for it. So it might be a zip tie job. I'm probably going to run the wires for a sub and stuff too. But I should be able to get it. Yeah, it's definitely not going to use the mounting plates because it just won't work for this car. Well, I might wiener up some zip ties to have it chilling like that. It just needs to be hanging out there, like that. That's not so bad. Sick.